Welcome back, chess lovers. Today, we're diving into one of the shortest and most brutal checkmates in chess history. Just 3 moves. This trap is set in the Borg defense, and it's a classic example of how neglecting king safety can lead to disaster. Let's go. First move e4. White opens the game with the king's pawn, the most popular opening move. It controls the center and opens lines for both the queen and bishop. First move, black plays g5, Borg defense. Now this is highly unusual. Black plays the eccentric g5, known as the Borg defense, or sometimes Bassman's defense. It immediately weakens the king side and does absolutely nothing for central control. It's a provocative move, but a risky one. White continues with second move, knight c3, a flexible developing move. It supports the center and prepares to bring more pieces into play. Already, White is setting the stage for a deadly tactic. Second move, f5. Black pushes forward with f5, another weakening pawn move. Instead of developing pieces or guarding the king, Black is throwing pawns forward recklessly. And now, the punishment is swift. Third move, queen h5, checkmate. Boom! Queen to h5 is checkmate. Just like that, in only 3 moves, the black king is completely helpless. The g-pawn and f-pawn move too early, opening the floodgates to White's queen. No escape, no block, no defense. Moral of the story? Don't get fancy with random pawn pushes early in the game, especially on the king side. Develop your pieces, control the center, and protect your king. Did you enjoy this lightning-fast checkmate? Hit that like button if you did. Subscribe for more amazing chess content, and let us know your favorite trap in the comments below. God bless everyone. Thank you so much.